This mansion with an ocean view is situated in the hills of Sosua in a very private location with lush tropical vegetation, stunning ocean and mountain views, and more. It has a lobby, 14 ensuite bedrooms, a spacious kitchen, 2 bars, 2 pools, and 5 jacuzzis. There's also parking for 50 cars, on-site administration, and much more. This home comes fully furnished and equipped, ready for you to move straight into. Call today. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.